Did you know a CEO discovered $1.7 billion in fraud on his third day at work? Michael Woodford had just become president of Olympus, a trusted 92-year-old Japanese company known worldwide for cameras and medical equipment. But something felt wrong with the books. He found acquisition payments that cost more than the entire companies were worth. Digging deeper, he uncovered fake purchases, inflated payments, and money flowing through mysterious Cayman Islands funds. For over a decade, the company had been hiding massive investment losses from the 1990s. The entire board knew. Everyone was in on it. When Woodford confronted the chairman about the suspicious transactions, he was fired immediately, so he went public. Olympus stock crashed overnight. Executives were arrested. The fraud had lasted longer than Enron even existed. A culture of silence and obedience had enabled systematic deception for years. One man's courage to ask questions and exposed one of Japan's biggest corporate scandals.